Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're gonna do a walk around and test drive on this real deal RS 1967 Camaro. Sounds like Chad's in there working the original radio. Sounds like that thing even works. This is a cool car.
What a gorgeous Camaro. And the thing with this one is it's a factory RS. You know, there's so many RSs out there now that didn't start as an RS. You know that?
Yeah, there is. You really don't see too many of them. Hideaway headlights work on it.
Aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, and just a great run in 400 small block in here. Runs excellent. They didn't do any headers, nothing like that. Just kept it with stock manifolds. The thing with this car is it was an absolute show winner. I mean, the paint and body on this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. The wheels, tires, disc brakes, except for it was done a while ago, and it's got some dings and stuff in it. I don't know if it had just a little storm damage or something like that, but it's got some little dings and scratches we're gonna point out. But when you're standing 2 foot away from it, if you're not looking at that little area, it's an absolute show winner.
Oh yeah, from right here, it's a show winning car, but then I think in the rear end, guy said something kind of fell on it in his garage and scratched something.
And it's got a couple little dings here. So it's got a ding here, guys, and a chip here. Like, that's what I'm talking about. We'll point that other stuff out, but if we're not pointing it out, it's absolutely just gorgeous paint job.
Yeah, and the body was really straight. Like when I first came in, I'm like, wow, that's a show winning car.
Yep, and a factory RS car. Dual electric fans.
And I like the color a lot.
Yeah,
beautiful.
I do too. All right. Hideaway headlights work perfectly. Beautiful front bumper. Like I said, the whole thing was restored. I don't know how many years ago. I'm guessing 5 to 10 probably. It's got 2 small little dings. One little one here. You can see in the right light, and another one there. Other than that, other than those 4 little spots there, the hood and fenders line up beautifully. Back of the hood lines up perfect. Our gap from top to bottom looks great. It's got all the correct RS trim all the way along the bottom. Front fender is beautiful. US mags, front disc brakes. It's got a tiny little paint chip right there. If you look right here, is just a small little ding right there. Here's what Dalton was talking. If you look up and down the sides, super straight body, back bumper is excellent, dual exhaust. One thing that looked kind of cool is the guy put a spoiler on it, maybe.
Yeah, but they left it very RS, you know.
Yeah.
Leaving the flat hood. And
if you look at the top of the quarter panels here, like you said, I just don't know what really happened to it, but it's got a couple tiny little chips right here. And this second before you do that, D, it's got a scratch across here. That was touched up, and some touch-ups right here. Here's where the main issue was on it. Inside the trunk lid's beautiful. Trunk's nice and solid. It's a really nice driver the way it is. Open up the door panel is in excellent shape. Armrest is nice. Corner of this door is rust free. Paint in the door jambs was done just as nice as the paint on the outside. Looks really nice.
I did a good job with it. How's it going?
Window felts are good. Look at this though, it might be a low mileage car. The roof rail rubbers, door rubbers, are all original, aren't they?
Yeah, they're still in
kind of surprised. I mean, this one here is worn a little bit, but that stuff's all original. I don't know what the miles are, but it's also got factory tilt wheel, factory RS. Headliner's in nice shape. Back seat's excellent. Door panels are nice. Got the correct body by Fisher seat belts.
Miles show 34,921.
Okay. Inside corner of the door is nice. Carpet's been replaced. The console, center console is excellent. Like I said, the dash pad's great as well. So really the only thing I can see is this, the easy stuff, those roof rail rubber and stuff like that's original. Other than that, It's had some upgrades on the interior, but really nice. As we look up and down the driver's side, absolutely gorgeous. Whole quarter, everything looks beautiful. Love the stance of the wheels, front and back. I haven't drove this one yet, so I'm not sure if we have any tire rubbing or not, but if...
I didn't notice any when I drove it the first time.
I'll tell you what, the stance is fantastic.
It is. I love that chrome trim along the bottom of the door. And
looks great. As we go along here, the trunk lid's excellent. All the way through here in this quarter extension, the paint is just gorgeous. All the way throughout. Bottom of the door here is excellent all the way through. Body lines, even with this chrome, lines up perfect. Got one little ding and touch up right here. Other than that, that's all I see in this entire side. Yeah. This entire side is just gorgeous.
And then the front disc brakes, they upgraded those as well to drilled rotors.
Yep. Slotted and drilled. Bottom of the door is excellent. Door jamb paint's nice. Door panel is excellent as well. Got the correct GM seat belts in the front too. Seat's nice, not worn really at all. I didn't tell you this yet, but on the way home from the doctor's appointment, I seen a 68 Camaro. It was a RS, but I guess it was a clone, but that back door panel is original. It has one little tiny little split right there, I just noticed. So I looked at that and makes this one look cheap. Dome light works. Just turn the lights on. You could hear the electric Hideaway headlights turn right on. Also, we got the dome light underneath the dash and the dome light up top.
Wipers work good. That, to me, it looks like the visors and headliner are original too. You can just kind of tell a little bit of yellowing on the stitch.
Yeah, see this? Yeah, maybe like stitching. I think they are. The carpet's been redone. Probably the seats, but I think the door panels and stuff like that are original. All the black trim around in here.
That's cool how that clicks on still. I don't know if we got an antenna or not.
No antenna, that's the only problem. Fan works.
Yep.
It's just a quality car. Everything works except for the horn. Somebody put a 3-speed in it.
Yep.
Good. I don't know if they did or not. Sucker speedometer works, gas gauge works. I love that they kept the original RS steering wheel. And look at the condition of it. So you can tell it's original. It shows some wear, but there is not a freaking crack in it. But you can see it's worn. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
So I mean, that kind of tells you about the mileage a little bit.
Good power, nice smooth shift.
Speedometer works good. There's your brakes.
I guess it does have a little tire rub. Yep.
Just, yeah. Might have to put just a little spacer in that front. These are some pretty good looking wheels and tires, you know, to give it that stance.
Yeah, they are.
So I just didn't know. We'll see if it rubs when we turn the wheel or not. Nothing going left. Warm her up a little bit. The 400's got really good acceleration, doesn't it?
It does.
60 mile an hour. Yeah, those front tires, we need to put a little.
Yeah, we will.
Do something a little different there. I hate to go a little smaller because they look so damn nice, but it seems like it's just rubbing on the top side, doesn't it?
Did it have wheel well trim or no?
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah, maybe that's what it's catching on to. But yeah, we'll take a look at them tires. Kick down works.
Yeah, it's got good power. I think we'll just put some smaller ones on it.
Yeah. Really good driving Camaro though. We'll take care of them tires, but good Camaro. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.